GujaratTennisCricket.in. Gujarat first tennis ball cricket website.
Oh, this time not the ball, but the bat is flying high. And this is what happens in the rainy cricket. Not getting grip of the handle. Jignesh continues this time from the right time over the wicket. Bit of fumble there from specialist Mathia. He's going reverse, but miscued. There is a fielder, Will Sitesh. The inning comes to an end. Yes, it is. Is gone without scoring, and that brings the first wicket for Dheeraj 11. Sunny Kanikar. Attempted Yorker beautifully pulled, and once again I'm requesting the spectators, audience there. Swing of the bat once again. Appeal for caught behind. They are certain. Not out is the call from Punko.
Left arm. This time played straight to the long on region. Another single. He's giving the strike to the much needed batsman Manoj because he's on song. He's towing the bowler, sending them to each and every corner of the park, dealing in boundaries at the moment. He's having a good look at the field, wiping his hands, keeping them dry. Jignesh to Mania. This time right up in the block hole, cleaned him up. What a comeback by the bowler. A huge setback this must be for the UV Rangers. Score held on 39. This time trying to drive the ball. Another dot ball. Again, a low full toss, couldn't connect it, couldn't time it to perfection, just rolling across the leg side region. Another single. This brings Bunty on strike. Bunty is eyeing for a boundary or a six in this over for a lead, minute after minute. This time strikes along the carpet. Just another single. So as far as this over is concerned, they are scoring in singles ever since Manoj Narwekar is back into the pavilion. Who will win the battle? Let us wait and watch. First ball, top edge, keeper underneath. That's the first nail in the coffin in the first ball of the over. So bowler winning the battle at the moment. Five balls, 22 runs. Pressure now, right on the batting team. This time another block hole delivery, low full toss, but straight to the star performer, Krishna Satpute. Loud appeal for a run out. This time he strikes again, but straight to the fielder at the long off region. So the match going beyond the hands of Raigad team. Requesting UV Rangers captain. Cleaned him up, back-to-back wickets. Jignesh, the third wicket of his over. Boy, you have struck gold for your team. 11 for Delhi Daredevils. Thompson. This time, driven straight to the bowler. Congratulations to Dheeraj 11 team and congratulations to Raigad for putting up
a full toss ball. This time top edge. The ball is in there, but falling safe in safe zone. So the local boy is lucky. Punaji. But let me tell you what, Dheeraj 11 are deaf sleeping, I guess. Oh, this time, Bunty Patel is cleaned up by who else than Jignesh Patel. Patel to Patel. Dismissed. And there's some information coming.
इस बार खेला हवाई फायर तूफान मेल गेट स्टैंड ऑन डिलीवर 6 रन.
You guys look so beautiful tonight.
इसे कहते हैं मारा कम घसीटा ज्यादा. किसी भी गेंदबाज को सेट होने का मौका नहीं. आते आते गेंद सीमा रेखा पार. शुरुआत की कृष्णा सातपुत ने, उसके बाद जो कि कहर ढाया
पंकज जाधवने पुन्हा एकदा आखूड पद्धतीचा चेंडू, पुन्हा एकदा उत्तुंग फटका. यावेळी मात्र प्रेक्षकात चेंडू फेकावला जातोय 6 धावांसाठी.
Left side she goes.
6 धावांनी धावसंख्येमध्ये बदल. 83 धावा. धाव फलकावर स्वतः कर्णधार संदेश पार्टे नॉन स्ट्राईक एंडला जातोय. स्ट्राईक वर आहे तो म्हणजे जिग्नेश पटेल. उत्तुंग असा फटका मारतोय, 6 धावा वसूल करतोय आणि ऐन हाणा.
For more videos click on GTC logo and subscribe our Gujarat Tennis Cricket. In YouTube channel.